Kenneth Rubin, Essential Scrum, a practical guide to the most popular Agile process. In the comprehensive guide Essential Scrum, a practical guide to the most popular Agile process, Kenneth Rubin offers a step-by-step playbook on successfully implementing Scrum methodologies in various industries. Delving into the world of Agile development, Rubin discusses how Scrum breaks conventional development strategies by focusing on flexibility, adaptability, and collaboration. As it takes you through the intricacies of Scrum, the book touches on vital topics like product backlog management, Scrum roles, sprints, sprint retrospectives, and achieving customer satisfaction. Designed for readers of different experience levels, this summary aims to simplify complex concepts and give you a clear understanding of how to make the most of the Scrum framework.
The Essential Manual for Scrum Success. Kenneth Rubin's Scrum Guidebook provides a comprehensive breakdown of Scrum principles and methods for new Agile leaders. With expert diagrams and tables on almost every page, this text is an ideal resource for aspiring Scrum team members. Building on his experience as Managing Director of Scrum Alliance, Rubin offers a step-by-step guide to successful Scrum implementation. This is a must-read for anyone navigating the complexity of Scrum, as recognized by multiple Scrum experts, solution architects, Agile coaches, and consultants. The Rise of Scrum. Scrum revolutionized software development in the mid-1980s and has since spread to all industries worldwide. In his book, Rubin explains how traditional development approaches like the waterfall method emphasize upfront planning to define an entire product. This can work for routine, predictable projects, but Scrum acknowledges that due to variability and uncertainty, no one can know enough upfront to create an end-to-end plan. While plan-driven development works well if the problems are well-defined and unlikely to undergo any significant change, Scrum takes a more flexible, iterative approach to product development. Agile development with Scrum. Scrum is an iterative approach to building products, emphasizing on meeting customer needs and adjusting accordingly in real time. This technique involves building, testing, and collecting feedback about deployable components of a product. Rubin clarifies that Scrum does not follow a no-planning approach. Instead, product owners work with teams and stakeholders to plan product developments and releases. Scrum gains efficiency by not defining precise requirements for development since they are subject to change over time. Using Scrum brings learning, discovery, inspiration, and creativity to the development process. Flexible product backlog in Scrum. The flexibility of the product backlog is a valuable lesson to learn from Scrum, according to Rubin, one of its inventors. The approach is to keep the product backlog flexible as the potential value of some products may diminish or disappear while new ones might emerge. The inventor's genius lies in their counterintuitive approach of not creating a detailed methodology. Therefore, it is essential to invest time and practice to find the version of Scrum that best suits your approach. The role of the product owner in Scrum. In his book, Kenneth Rubin explains that the product owner acts as a bridge between the team, customers, and stakeholders in Scrum. They represent the stakeholders and have the authority to prioritize the product backlog inventory, PBI. The backlog is a prioritized list of desired product functionalities that determines what to build and in which order. The Scrum Master keeps the work visible for assessments and adjustments, while the development team requires expertise in their domains, product requirements, and business value. Their role is to plan the sprint's work, build, and assure its functionality. Break your work into sprints. Learn how sprints help teams deliver faster and stay motivated by completing one item at a time from the product backlog, keeping the costs of delay in mind. Sprints end on time, and if one isn't productive, start another one. Customer-focused development with Scrum. In Scrum, Rubin emphasizes that developing customer-focused products is key to successful project development. He suggests the invest test. Each story should be independent, negotiable, valuable, estimable, small, and testable. The development team should sort feature stories by size and complexity. Sprint retrospectives allow the team to stop and discuss constructive criticism, concerns, and ideas while making sure the resulting features meet customer needs. The goal is to deliver customer-valuable work rather than beginning lots of work that are half done. Scrum Demystified. Rubin's easily comprehensible guide to Scrum breaks down the methodology with simplicity and clarity, making it accessible for beginners to implement and understand. The absence of jargon and aided by graphics, diagrams, and drawings helps beginners follow and expert implementers refine their approach. Rubin's mastery of Scrum shines through his elegant and digestible presentation. Notably, Jeff and J.J. Sutherland's Scrum and Mark C. Layton's Scrum for Dummies serve as other guides.
Kenneth S. Rubin's Essential Scrum provides an in-depth look at the Scrum framework and its fundamental principles, practices, and processes to achieve better productivity and adaptability in product development. The book emphasizes the vital role product owners and Scrum Masters play in managing project progress and ensuring stakeholder satisfaction, as well as team collaboration to reach common goals. By leveraging the flexibility and adaptability offered by Scrum, teams can tackle diverse challenges, easily manage product backlogs, and deliver value to customers in an effective, timely manner. In conclusion, Essential Scrum serves as an invaluable resource for anyone looking to adapt their organization to the modern challenges of innovation and product development using the Scrum methodology.